Hello, Nomad Sculpt Quick Shots Part 3. I think I call it smoke. And I do these videos also for me to remember the steps from other people who have good ideas. In this case, Daniel Nielsen. And I have to do it quick because I don't want to forget the steps to get the effect. I switched to the Nomad app, um, and this is yes, smoke, or you can do many things with it for effects. Okay, I kill this and I add a box, turn the wireframe on, and I think the density is okay. I validate this, and now you have to know with the effect is black or dark areas and white or bright areas do the effect. I go to the paint tool, go to black and force paint the box in black, or the cube, and I'm in the brush. No, what I'm doing. Okay, then we need a white color or a bright color, and stroke gizmo. What I forgot. I need the paint. Where's the paint tool? Paint. Okay. Now we can change the alpha of the paint. I have downloaded some alphas or only black and white. The alphas is an extra tutorial. I use this one, scaling or something. You can adjust it yourself. And the fall off, I use this flat fall off, grab dynamic radius, and symmetry I can turn off, and I brush the pixels here and do an effect like this. There are also settings for the here the straight lines on the side. You can adjust some things in the settings. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. You can use a cube or a sphere or something. You can test it. The effect is in this. In the material box, you can change it to additive, and now it's you can see through it, and you can change the opacity of this. And when you turn the always unlit on, it gets brighter, and the black areas are, yes, and the colors come through, I say. Okay, turn the wireframe off, and I got perspective on, and now we can use the move brush, for example, to do things like this. Make the brush a little bit bigger. Symmetry is off, and we can remesh it. I use a. You can test it, and we show the wireframe. Okay. This is only for also for me to remember how it works, um, and there are some things you can do better than me, and the opacity slider can be adjusted. Um, yes, I by myself I didn't test everything what is possible with this effect. Um, and what I can do with it, or I don't test the colors, and but you see the a real cool look through effect, I think. I hope I did it right, Daniel. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.